first, let's take a bite. Tuna and Munster cheese. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Oh. I have to take another bite and then we'll talk. Mmm. Mmm. That's so good. I must have watched almost 20 videos about tuna melt. Nobody used Munster cheese. I'm serious, 20 videos. They use American, they use cheddar, someone used Parmesan, someone used mozzarella. I'm sorry, man. The cheese that was born to be paired with tuna is Munster cheese. I'm gonna take another bite and I'll explain. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. I saved some tuna. Let's just assume. Let's assume you have your own way of making tuna salad. Let's assume you have your own way of cooking these in the oven, in cast iron, under the broiler. None of that matters. What matters is the cheese. I gotta take another bite. I'm taking another. You can grate your Munster. This is Sargento Munster cheese. 11 slices per 8 ounces. They're nice. They're kind of nice and thick. This is where it all began, my friends. American and cheddar just don't cut it. You got your Munster cheese. You got some leftover tuna. Let's just put it in there. All right? You have to trust me. Let's just say you're on Atkins or some low-carb diet and you give this a try. Just plain old cold Munster and tuna salad. Oh. 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 It's like if you're an atheist, you're in heaven, okay? I'll take one more bite and we'll get back to the sandwich. No cheese tastes like Munster and tuna combined. They were made to go together. If you don't believe me, try it this way first, and then make it tuna melt. Try it this way first. Oh, I couldn't believe I watched almost 20 videos up to where they're using the cheese and nobody used Munster. I found 2 people on Reddit that mentioned Munster. Not a single video. Oh. Oh. I toasted one side first so it was a little bit more crispy. Disagree with all of that. You've got to try Munster. I'm just telling you. Doesn't taste like American. Doesn't taste like cheddar. It tastes like it was born to go with tuna salad. Oh! There aren't many things that I'll say like trust me on. Go out. Make tuna salad the way you like it. You know, put capers in. Put jalapenos in. Did a very basic one today with just pepper and a little lemon juice. This is my first brioche sliced bread. I've had the buns with burgers. This is brioche sliced bread. It's very good. Oh, okay. I'm just going to say it. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. Even Mark Twain and Mark Hamill vouch for this. I don't know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.